This video looks to help you answer the question, how do I subtract fractions? Remember, fractions can only be subtracted when they are based on the same whole. Let's review some of the key terms you'll need to work with fractions. The numerator is the parts that you have, and the denominator are the number of equal parts that make up a whole. First, we're going to talk about like fractions, or fractions with the same denominator. If we have 4/5 minus 2/5, we'll use these number lines to represent our two parts. As you can see, we shaded in 4/5 on the top and 2/5 on the bottom. Look, as we now represent our two fractions on one number line, you can see we are taking away two parts from the original 4 that we had on top, giving us 2/5. Next, we'll subtract some unlike fractions, or fractions with different denominators. Take a look at 1/2 minus 1/3. They are represented here on the number lines. Because they have different denominators, we have to find the lowest common multiple of each denominator. Looking at the list here, we can see the common multiples are 6, 12, and 18. The lowest one is 6, making that the equivalent denominator we will use. We must now break up our number line into 6 equal parts, but leaving the same amount shaded on each one. Next, looking at the top number line, we must subtract 2 parts, leaving us with 1 part remaining, or an answer of 1/6. Now, show your skills by practicing with the link below.